Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today the recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you is a boiled version of Chili Serrano hot sauce. We got such a great response from the first video of the roasted chile that I decided to share this one. So before we move on, if you like the video and would like to see more of them, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share our videos. Thanks guys. Let's get on to the ingredients. What we're going to need for the recipe today is some Chili Serrano hot sauce, some Roma tomatoes, some kosher salt or table salt, a quarter of an onion, and 2 garlic cloves, and about 4 cups of water, and then of course a pot for the boiling. And this is how we... Okay, we're going to start by adding the Roma tomatoes into the pot, the Chili Serranos. Now you adjust for the heat however you like, what your family likes. This is just my version that I've been doing for a while. Okay, the 2 cloves of garlic, the onion, I just cut it into half, and then the salt. Okay, then we're going to cover the vegetables just till they're covered. We're going to bring this to the boil. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it go for 15 minutes. So when we get to that point, I'll be back. Okay, the vegetables have been cooking for about 15 minutes. We're going to fish them out of here and put them in the blender. Everything in there. And we're going to add some salt, a little bit more kosher salt. Okay, let's take this over to the blender. Okay, let's go ahead and add our lid. I have this little pour spout up here that I leave open because this is still hot, and if I don't open it, it could explode, so you need to be careful, or let your vegetables cool for a while. Okay, I like to pulse it, and you can make it as chunky or as smooth as you like. This part is up to you, how smooth you want it, or chunky. Okay, we're gonna pulse. And this is how I like to store my hot sauce in the refrigerator. I get just a mason jar. And I fill them like this. I put the lid on them and I let them cool, and then store them in the refrigerator. And this is how it looks. Isn't that scrumptious? Okay guys, that concludes the video today. I hope you try it and enjoy it. And if you do, come back and let us know in the comments below how it worked out for you. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.